one and only Coco.
Hi everyone, Channel Boy 12 here, and I'm right here in Paxton Bush. I did a video on my camcorder, and now I thought I would do a little video on my digital camera. Since I know yesterday I did one, and it wasn't really working quite as good as I thought it would, so I'll do one more on my digital camera again. So I'll show you guys. Yes, if you guys all seen, I'm wearing a white, no, not a white hat, but a red hat. Just nature. When I was a kid, we used to come here every time, either for bike rides or something around Chatham. Tall trees, nature. So yeah, I thought I would show you guys a little short video. And I hope you guys, if you guys are in Chatham area, go see Paxton Bush. Come see this bush. I'll tell you that. You guys will all be happy to see it. Take care. Have a great day, everyone.